What's your name?
I'm Mama.
And who's on Mommy?
No, Mommy, Pika.
Who's on Mommy? What's his name?
Pika.
Guinea pig?
Pig.
Guinea pig. What's your name?
Not Dana.
Are you Ilana?
Nana.
Oh, you Micah.
No, I'm Bana.
Oh. Are you a baby?
No, I'm Big Nana.
You're Big Nana?
Yes.
I know. Come here. Let's see.
I want to see.
You want to see?
I want to see.
Okay. Come over here. Get down. I can't see you. Come here. What's his name?
Pig.
Name is Guinea Pig?
Yes.
Yeah. What's my name?
Mommy.
That's right. What's your name? And what's his name? What's his name there? Daddy. So cute.